Hello and welcome to day 30 of the Emergent series. This is the last video in this series for now. We may come up with some more videos in the coming days. We will keep you updated. Now, before we get into this video, I would like to tell this video is only for them who have not watched our entire series. If you have watched few videos here and there, or if you have not watched any of the Emergent videos so far, then this video is for you. But if you have already watched all of them, then you can skip this, because in this video, we're just going to cover all the things that Emergent has to offer. This could be your first video. This could also be your last video, just as a recap. So let's go ahead and see what Emergent has to offer and why it's one of the fastest growing vibe coding platform in the world. So as mentioned before, this is just a recap of all the things that Emergent has to offer, right? We begin with E1, the model which is stable and thorough. And then we also saw what is E1.1, which is basically fast and flexible. And then we saw E2, which is still in beta phase. And this is the advanced version of E1, right? And we saw what is prototype. Basically, if you want to just build the front end, then you can use prototype. Then we have the mobile version as well, right? It is one of the very few vibe coding platform that allows you to build mobile apps as well, right? Then we also saw ultra mode, and we saw what are the options available when it comes to LLM and different modules, right? Like Claude 4.5 Sonnet, 4.5 Opus, 4.5 Sonnet with 1 million tokens, right? And then GPT 5.2 beta, Gemini 3 Pro, GPT 5.1, and so on and so forth, right? And if you are in the paid plan, then you can opt for public or private, right? And you also can choose the MCP tools. Okay, you can add your own MCP tools if you want, like MCP servers and so on and so forth. We have done detailed videos on these things, right? And you can set the template, the budget, the model, and so on and so forth. Okay, we also saw what is the voice recording feature available over here, right? Not just that, if you are in pro plan or further, then you can also build your own agents, right? We have done a detailed video on managing agents and how do you create your own agents. You can upload your code to GitHub so that the code is safely saved in GitHub, or you can also use it on some other platforms, right? That means you can build on Emergent, save it on GitHub, and then import it to some other platform and build it from there if that is required. Or if you know coding and you want to take it from there, you could do that as well, right? And like any other vibe coding platform, you can also manage files and images, like attach those and allow the agents to deal with files and images. We also did some tips and tricks on files and images in one of the previous videos, right? So please do watch that. Now, when it comes to mobile app building, not just building, we also went through how do you test it on your mobile phone using Xpogo, and then how do you build a dev version of it, and how do you launch it on the App Store. We have done detailed videos on those things as well. Not just that, we've also done some detailed videos on how do you integrate different applications within Emergent. So we saw some AI-based integrations, we saw some database-based integrations, we saw some project management integrations, and e-commerce, fintech, ERP, marketing and sales, customer support, event management. We've walked through all of this, and we've also understood how this integration actually works, right? We have done detailed videos on how this integration actually works step by step. I'll just quickly walk you through some of the integration videos that we've done. And the first one was integration with Stripe, and then integration with Recipe, Slack integration for notifications, voice assistance, where you can actually speak to your app with voice and it will do the job for you, right? So how do you build something like that? And then we also did some bug reporting and feature requests. How do you allow your users to be able to report bugs and request for features, right? So that was also covered. Integration with Google Sheets, and then send automated emails to your app users, right? We have done that. and then send SMS and WhatsApp notifications to your app users. And then we also did how do you integrate with Calendly into your app. And finally, how app integration works in Emergent, which is walkthrough of all the things that we were actually just seeing a while back. And then how app integration works in Emergent. So basically a walkthrough of this entire thing, right? Step-by-step process and all of that. And best practices to debug apps built with Emergent, recover a broken AI app, right? And then how to use MCP with Emergent AI, how to use advanced controls in Emergent, how to deploy your app, go live the right way, right? And then we went into understanding what are prototypes and how do we use prototypes in Emergent. And then we did 4 videos on mobile apps, build mobile apps using AI, add authentication to your mobile app, and then build a development version of your mobile app, how to publish your mobile app, which is very, very important, right? So once you build your app, how do you publish them on Google Store and iOS Store? So how do you do that? And then we did create custom agents in Emergent AI. Okay. And then we also covered how do you create custom agents in Emergent AI. And for the last few days, we have also covered some advanced topics with Emergent. So if you have not watched the entire series, please go ahead and watch this because we have covered end to end of Emergent, all the things that Emergent has to offer, at least at the time we were shooting these videos. I'm pretty sure they will be having a lot more features by the time you watch it or in a couple of months. We will probably have one more series on Emergent to cover those things. But for now, watch this entire thing so that you understand how to make the best use of vibe coding platform that's growing at lightning speed. So do not miss this opportunity to learn how to build using Emergent and how do you scale your app in the most efficient manner. Thank you for watching this entire series. And thank you for all the support you all have been giving throughout this 400 plus days that we have covered so far. And if you want us to cover something specific, please do let us know in the comments below and we will try to do that. Thanks again and see you in the next series.